Hey guys, so I'm here with an amazing color retouch transformation along with some clip-in extensions and a silk press. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going through and I'm doing my client's color retouch. I just parted her hair like the Red Sea right down the middle. So I went right down the middle, and the color that I'm using today is Pravana. So my client has a mixture of 8V and 9V and a little bit of 9BV from Pravana on her hair, but on my own scalp application today, I'm just using 8 volume with 30 8V with 30 volume. My bad, guys. So that is the color that's basically on her mid shafts, and on her ends it's a tad bit lighter. So on the ends I use a little bit of lightener, but not all over. She just has a couple money pieces in the front, but throughout her head it's basically been a no bleach lift color process. She has natural hair, and I use 30 vol with heat, and it came up to this beautiful color that it is now because we didn't want to do lightener all over. So we achieved this blonde with that color, and I'm just finishing it up. And now I'm gonna go in. I've washed and blow dry her hair with my Mika the Cure shampoo and conditioner, and now I'm just blow drying it with my silver bird dryer, and I'm going in with my babyless flat irons and a 1 inch. And as you can see, I'm taking it slow. Like, if you want to get a really good silk press, one of the best tips to a silk press is make sure you go down that hair shaft slowly with tension. You don't want to speed down. It's not a speed race, guys. You want to go down slow with tension. When you do it tight like that, it definitely is going to give you that shine that you need, and it's definitely going to give you the results that you're going for. So now that my girl is all silked out, I've already trimmed her ends, but I still have some pieces that I need to trim, and I'm going to go through and show you guys this super good trim that we're going to do. So we're gonna go in, and now you know that I've gotten that bottom layer together, we're gonna go in and make sure that the pieces on the inside are definitely trimmed as well. So I'm gonna start with about a 1 inch section, and I'm just gonna pull it out from the head at like 90 degrees. And this one I'm gonna over direct it back because we're not trying to cut off any length. All we're trying to do is to make sure that she get a proper ends trim throughout, because she has so many dead ends that we needed to get off from the protective style. So as you can see here, all those frizzy ends, we got to get rid of those. So because we have to get rid of those, I got to hold them out from the head and check and see and make sure that everything gets trimmed so that my girl can have some healthy hair. Okay, so now here I am again at 90 degrees, holding it out from the head to go ahead and just trim the ends. And as you can see, she is loving this already. She pulled that phone out and was like, let me get to taking my picture. Now we're just gonna add some raw Indian clip-ins from tpextensions.com to this install to give my girl some more fullness. So she has beautiful hair, but she wanted to add some tracks and some clip-ins for fullness, and also just to give her that longevity. So when you have extensions in your hair, it tends to hold a little longer. And this is the end results, guys. I slay my girl. She's absolutely beautiful. You could definitely tell this is a professional color in every way. Y'all need to come down to Memphis and see me, baby. But yeah, or you can keep on staying here and watching me and getting these good tips. See you next time.